Now, let's get started. Open a browser on your device and navigate to Laravel 11 Authentication GitHub to download the source code that we already commit in the previous video. And you can see the step-by-step to install the project. Click on the green button and clone the source code into your local device. After pull source code into your device, navigate to your project directory and run Composer install. After that, create Laravel environment file. And then install all necessary Node.js packages by running npm install. And now, we can launch the Laravel application server by running and artisan serve. By default, the database connection in Laravel 11 is set to SQLite. In this tutorial, we need to change the default connection to MySQL. Following these steps,
Open Laravel project in Visual Studio Code from the terminal by typing code.
By default, the database connection in Laravel 11 is set to SQLite. In this tutorial, we can change the default connection to MySQL. We get this issue because currently, the database is empty. We need to run the Laravel migrations. And we can see the database tables are created. Now, we should create the first user for the project. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe with the notification so you never miss a lesson. You also get the link to the tutorial in the video description. So, in the next video, we will get how to show list all posts with pagination. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you at the next one.